Welcome to our FMTI system videos. My name is Joe Verhaeg, General Manager, and we'll be showing you how to use our grid analyzer to take fast, accurate strain measurements. I'll demonstrate how to change the lens on the grid analyzer and to make the adjustments after. The first thing you do is pull this cable off. Hold it by the connector, not by the wire, so that it stays attached. Here also pry right at the connector so that you keep it straight as you pull it out. Then the light assembly will just unscrew counterclockwise. This is just a standard C-mount thread. That's the actual camera there. So once you get your new assembly, I'm just going to use the same one just to do the demonstration. You screw it back in. Make sure you don't cross thread anything. There's three adjustments on the lens. There's the aperture, which is here, the focus, and then the position. So the aperture should be set about 8. You can adjust that using the Phillips screwdriver. The system comes with a flat and a Phillips screwdriver. So for the aperture, you loosen the 3 screws on the aperture ring, which is the one with the numbers 16 to 1.6. You loosen that. And then you line up the white line here to the number 8, and that usually gives you a pretty good depth of field. You need the depth of field so that when you see the curvature on the sheet, enough of it is in focus. The focus is set using by loosening 3 screws in the lower ring. You just loosen them. About half a turn is usually enough. If you loosen them too much, you might lose them, and very difficult to find them again. Then you have to hook the analyzer to the software, set the focus, set it to a soft focus. You have quite a range here, and you'll notice that when you turn this, the whole lens assembly, this connector actually moves relative to the analyzer. But we'll deal with that in a minute. Once it's set, once you've hooked it up, set the focus, you retighten these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, which is this one. And now you're ready to reattach the cable. Now this connector may have moved relative to this, so first you put this on, just push, wind this around, and this happens to line up not too badly, but if you need to adjust it, there are 4 screws on the silver ring that you loosen, again, half a turn. And that allows you to turn the lens without changing the focus or the aperture. You can see it just rotates inside this ring here. So you set it so that it's just, the ring is just loose, but you don't want it like this where it gets caught on things. And you don't want it really tight because that puts stress on the connector. So just loosen out of the way, and then you retighten the screws. And that's all. See, it's a little bit loose there, and that's the only adjustments you need to do on the lens. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 905-381-0257.